You felt it. That shift. The way she used to text you first, and now you're the one waiting, watching the screen, checking if she's online. You felt it in your chest before your brain even caught up. That hollow drop. Something changed. And you know it. You think it was random? You think she just got busy? You think life got in the way? No. Something you're doing right now is killing the attraction. And the worst part? You think it's working. Listen, I get it. Nobody taught you this. Your father didn't sit you down. No class covered it. You learn love from movies where persistence wins, where showing up is romantic, where saying more means feeling more. But that's exactly why you're losing. Let me show you someone. Call him Alex. Smart guy. Good looking. She was into him genuinely. Then she pulled back slightly, just slightly, and Alex panicked. He texted twice, then explained himself, then asked if everything was okay, then told her how much he liked her, just to make sure she knew. You think that made him look strong? You think she felt safer? Or do you think something inside her went cold? Attraction doesn't respond to pressure. It responds to certainty, to a man who doesn't leak. And Alex was flooding the room with uncertainty. Every text screamed, "I need you to tell me I'm okay." She didn't pull back because she stopped liking him. She pulled back because he stopped being someone she could look up to. If this is hitting you right now, subscribe. Not for motivation, for clarity. Because most men never hear this until it's already over. Here's what nobody says out loud. Silence is power. Neediness is loud. Confidence doesn't chase, it attracts. When she pulls away, do you panic? Do you double text? Do you explain yourself trying to fix something she never asked you to fix? That's the moment you lose, not when she leaves. Right there, in that moment of weakness, the man she becomes addicted to, he doesn't fold. When she tests him, and she will, he stays grounded. Not cold, not cruel. Grounded. He has somewhere to be. He has something to build. She feels his certainty like gravity, and gravity pulls things in. But here's the truth that should make you uncomfortable. This isn't about her. It's about who you're becoming or refusing to become. Because if you don't fix this pattern now, you repeat it with the next one and the one after that. Same story, different name, same ending. You're not losing her because of bad luck. You're losing her because you haven't become the man who keeps her. If you're done being the guy who folds under pressure, subscribe, learn control, or keep losing.